Tonight, News 4's Julie Carey takes us to a neighborhood in Sterling, Virginia, where residents are being warned about severe health impacts from the data center in their community.
Whether it's daytime or the dead of night, there is no such thing as peace and quiet in this Sterling neighborhood. Here's why. This Vantage data center is the only one in Virginia powered by gas turbines. It's hoped the facility will eventually be able to connect to Dominion electric lines. But for at least several more years, 8 turbines are whining away all day and night.
There was this constant, just like a buzzing in your head. And this is just not pleasant to listen to every day, all day.
When Lindsay Shaw learned a data center was going to be built nearby, she welcomed it. But that quickly changed for her and other neighbors when it went online. Greg Perio, who is traveling today, has organized the residents to make their concerns public.
One, sometimes it wakes me up. You can hear it in my house. When you go outside, it's just like you feel like you're cursed to have all this noise.
But now, on top of the noise, comes more troubling news. A study commissioned by the Piedmont Environmental Council warns of serious health consequences from the center's emissions.
It's associated with asthma and increased cardiovascular impacts on especially vulnerable populations and the elderly.
The analysis is based on Vantage's own permit with the state. It estimates roughly 3 to 6 more people could die each year due to the center's emission, that number climbing over a 5-year period. But Vantage officials say those levels mentioned in the permit are maximums, not necessarily what's happening day to day. They say they are operating in compliance with DEQ standards.
The permitting through VDEQ is designed to protect public health using conservative assumptions and safety margins and to make sure that facilities meet health-based air quality standards. And in practice, the VA2 facility operates well below those permitted limits and emits significantly less pollution.
The PEC hopes the report will serve as a red flag to other communities considering gas turbine-powered plants.
This could happen everywhere, and so if we're building data centers, it has to be done in a humane, a healthy way for communities and for the environment.
For now, Lindsay set up an air monitoring device on her front porch to check for herself.
We're slowly collecting data to see just how bad the air quality is.
As for the noise, Vantage says it is not exceeding county limits, but the company is doing sound studies right now to determine if there can be any sort of noise reduction.
We know that we are in accordance with the requirements around noise in the local county, but we're also conducting our own studies to really understand the impacts that the community feels and to make sure that we're investing in noise retention.
The company says once its study is complete, it'll report back in a town hall meeting with residents. In Sterling, Virginia, I'm Julie Carey, News 4.
The current noise level measurements are below the county's violation limit, but that noise is constant. So in view of that, Loudoun County has created a working group to review new ways of capturing the noise from turbines to determine if the ordinance needs to be changed.